Hi guys, welcome back to the Drive Life channel. In today's video we're showing you how to remove the rear door card from a Volvo. It's quite actually a simple job to do. Now I've lost my locking pin. I've had an issue with the lock for a couple of weeks, so I'm going to work on try and have a look at that and just take the door card off really in this video. Let's get straight into it. So first thing you want to do is remove a small black panel on the sort of behind the handle cutout. I've just used a plastic tip screwdriver here. Just be careful that you don't damage the leather or the plastic. You've just got to prise it out. Just be careful that you don't break off the little tabs because you have to buy a new one. We don't really want to do that. It shouldn't cause too much issue to come off, and here you go, it's come off nice and easily there. Now, next thing you want to do is remove the T25 screw behind that panel. This is the only thing really holding the door panel on, or any hard fixing. Then you can get to work of just prising it away. There's a number of small clips, just push clips that you can pull the door card away from, and it will then release the door card. You'll see in a minute it all comes away quite easily when I get my fingers behind it. Like that. Then all you need to do is lift it out and then pull slightly up to unhook it, and there we go. It's now completely detached. You've got a few wires. Now I've supported it underneath rather than remove all the wires, just because I didn't need to on this occasion. I'm reattaching now my locking pin end. Then also adding the little trim that had come off as well to tidy that up. And I couldn't really do anything about the lock at this point, short for time, so set to reattaching the door card. Basically it's the reverse procedure. Just thread the locking pin through the hole, slide it and hook it on to the window ledge there, like so, and then you just need to work your way around pushing the pins back in. You'll only be able to do that if the door's aligned properly, so give it a jiggle. Perhaps sort of a little extra force, screw the T25 back in. What I don't show is that I have actually relocated the rest of the clips as well, so just make sure you do that before screwing it on, like so. And then all you need to do after that is just replace the little black panel and you're done. So it's a nice easy little job. We've managed to get it relocated. I can now lock the car. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and let me know your thoughts.